Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. Guys, I am so excited because I was contacted by this company called Double Dip to do a collab with their product. They mailed me their stuff and now I'm doing a semi unboxing in terms of I will be also doing my nails. So this is what they sent me. I'm so excited because I'm a small YouTuber and I sure didn't expect um, anyone to contact me to do a collab and, of course, send me anything for free. So it was so exciting. And, this is just what it comes with. And this is me first time opening the box to see what I am actually getting. I have worked with dip powder before, so this will be their product that I will be using. And now I'm at my nail desk getting ready to do my nails. So this is the invoice that was sent and how much it should have been, but it was free. So it's basically $58 worth of products. And those are the different liquids that came with it. The first one was the base coat. The second one was the activator, and the third one was the top coat. And they gave me a little fruit extra. The pink right there that you're looking at is the 19 Pink Rose, and it's from Double Dip. So it's doubledipstore.com, and the purple one is also the 519 candy canes. And just to show you what they look like on the inside. So normally with dip powder, you get the number one, which is the bonder, and it didn't come with this set. They didn't send it, so I didn't use it. Then two, which came, which is the base coat. Three, the activator. Four, the top coat. They should also have sent, well, also that goes with it, no matter natural, they help build the apex, and the clear, which at the end, before you file and file of all the colors, you put a clear on it, but that didn't come. So this is all that you're seeing that they actually sent me, and I will use most of it. So I just went ahead and cleaned off my nails. I had a little treatment on my nail that I used prior, so I'm using acetone to take that off. I'm using my cuticle oil in order to push back my cuticle, clean it, and start prepping my nails. Normally to prep my nails, I do all this plus I add a like dehydrator, a primer, and then a base coat when it comes to gel polish. With dip powder, basically you prep your nails and clean it with the alcohol pad and then go to the bonder. They didn't send a bonder, and I said, let's try and see how it works without a bonder. So I went ahead and did that. I didn't use a bonder. So far I still have it on and they are still like not budging. And so, anyways, I'm just filing up my nails right now to, my nails are really short right now. And I was hoping when I got these products to do the dip powder on my natural nails, but they were too short. And I'm like, no, I don't want to do it like that. I wanted a little length to it. So the pink that came kind of would be for a baby boomer French tip type of nail on decoration, but I still wanted to use it to show you. But I will order again from this, well, we'll order from the company and get the white in order to do the baby boomer. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up all the stuff that came off my nails when I did do the prep. No, I'm just putting on all the tips with my glue, and I'll be doing all 10 fingers and cutting them down to size. So let's see. So this company, like I said, they contact me. I was very shocked and very excited, and I was like, okay, they must be fake, but they weren't. They sent it to me. I was shocked, and they want me to do a collab. Which somewhere in a comment, when I do get I think it's now 10% discount code. So I'm hoping after I put the video up, I will get that. But in the meantime, I will put in a comment also that they do offer a 30-day free dip. Okay, so make sure you go and claim that. Go and claim that. And if they give me an affiliated code, I'll also put that in probably after I put up the video and I contact them so they could view the video. Okay, I'm not getting paid to do this. The product was just sent to me free. So, but I'm excited because, I'm very, very excited about being able to do this as a small content creator. My experience with the product, it did the job. I did hear numerous people buy different dip powder that they didn't like, but I do use another dip powder, and this was just as good as that company's. Is no problem. I liked it. No issues with it. I love dip powder because they really, 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 really last long. So as you can see, I'm showing you there, I'm going straight to the base coat and to go ahead and do my dip. So that right there, I'm showing you that that should be the natural that help build the apex, but they didn't send it, so I am using another one, but I'm not going to show you what brand that is because I'm not talking about them right now. And I just go ahead and do the base coat just a hairline above where the tip would be. So I'm dipping it 3 times. If I had the natural, I would build my apex first with it, then go to the color. But like I said, it wasn't sent to me, and in this case I just use that for one fingernail, which was the ring finger, because I was going to cover that up with rhinestones. So I didn't really care to put on a pink on it. So I will be using a natural only for that purpose. Okay. So what do I love about this dip powder? You know, you first of all, you save time. You know, you save money because you know you could do this at home. You don't need a lamp. You don't. The basic thing that they sent me right there is basically all you need to do this. So you don't need a lamp. It's easy to use, and I love that it's an organic formula. If you guys know me in my previous videos, I try to eat as healthy as possible. So everything that I put in or on my body, um, I have to be. And since you guys know that I've been sick for a while, with side effects from something I took, the best and healthiest way I try to go in life, you know, is organic. It's an instant finish. I don't have any problem. You know, it's not. I don't have to sit there wait for it to dry or keep curing it in a lamp. It's PETA approved. It's cruelty free, vegan product, and also that I love, 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 love. It's a small business woman owned. I am a small business woman owned as well. You guys know this. I have my own business. My husband and I have our own business, and we were small business owners. So I totally support that. I totally, totally support that. Forgive me, I'm not putting my face in this because I'm still trying to recover for what I've been dealing with. And some days depression is so bad that I don't even want to move. But if it wasn't for my boys, that's the only reason why I'm alive today. So I apologize for that. So don't forget, I will put it in a comment. It's free dip to claim your free product, and it's 30 days that you could use that. You could find them on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook group, and Pinterest. And they are under double dip nails, okay, which you will see on the little my little thumbnail that I put prior. So you can see how light the pink is. So this right here is, so I'm dipping it 3 times. Right, one right above the where the tip and the nail meets. The second one is a little bit above that, and the third one is the cuticle. Okay, and then when I'm done, I will. You should put on a clear. They didn't send a clear, so I won't use a clear, and then seal it with the activator. When you put on the activator, you guys, that's when you let it sit, make sure it gets hard, and you file your name, shape it up and everything, and then you put on the activator one more time, and with a lint-free um, cotton or wipe, you wipe it off, and then you go to your top coat, but you'll see the process. So they're located, this company is located in Texas, and you know, I I love anything, you guys, that's easy to use. I'm a licensed nail tech. I've been licensed for 2 years. The first year I was still practicing. The second year, COVID hit, and now I'm still trying to figure out what I like to do. I cannot do acrylic because I cannot handle the smell. I was working with gel, and I love now dip powder. What I love also with dip powder, guys, is so easy to do ombres with dip powder and gel polish. So, but this product, you guys, if you order it, you don't need a table lamp. You don't need an e-file. I started to use it. The only time I think I used an e-file was to really roughen up my nails. Other than that, I did a regular file in order to shape it up my nails. So, and you don't have to do an extension if you don't want to. You can put it on your natural nail and, you know, do it like that. So, like again, first you just do the coat, dip, and file, shine, and done. No table lamp, no drill. It's all natural products, and your nails will grow and it won't be damaged with this product. Okay, but once you have to remove it the proper way, and your nails will be awesome. So check out their website, see what it's about. They have a cute kit that comes in this cute little bag. I want to order that. Oh, I do because I also need the white, because I want to do this pink with the ombre white. Hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, love you. So I'm finishing up now, and trying to figure out, like, hey, is this any different? And honestly, it's I think it's a good company, and I was afraid to give information because I didn't know if there were spammers. And so I checked out their Instagram, and they have about, well, last time I checked, about 79,000. I'm like, cool. And I went on YouTube, and saw everyone that was using the product and how they felt about it, and I was like, okay, I kind of like this. So, but you guys know me, have to bling bling my fingers when I'm done with this. So, but let me know in a comment if this is something you would like. If you're a beginner, don't know what to use, dip powder is a very good way to go. Very good way to go. And I love their colors. I love that not only do they have numbers on their process, but they have the colors, the red, yellow, and green. So right now I am putting on the activator, you guys, and then I will tap it and see if it's hard enough in order for me to go ahead and file it up. So what else can I say? Yeah, so um, I plan to do, I'm waiting. I want to wait till I order the white dip powder in order to do the ombre look with that pink, the baby boomer or the French look with it. Um, it's a real, because it was really, this pink, which is the rose pink 19, was really, really light on my nail. As you can tell in the photo right there, you can literally see through it. So it's more of a French tip, baby boomer type pink. So, but it was just a sample. They asked if what colors I liked, and I like purple and pink. Actually, purple is my favorite color, but I don't know why. I think I'm switching up to pink right now. So they sent a lot of things, you guys. As you saw, the little pink bag, that was so cute. They sent a butterfly sticker. They sent I think it was three of the brush replacement. They sell the little nails that you could practice on. They sent three of those. They send the two color dip powder, the three products in order to do the dip, the base, the activator, and the top coat. And what else did they send me that I don't have here? Butterfly. And oh, they sent a coupon, well, the little card. If you take your camera to the barcode, you could get like a free gift. And the other one was giving you information about them, so that was really cute and cool. So I'm just taking my rhinestone and I'm using a builder product in order to adhere the rhinestones, and finish it up, because you guys know. So before I put on the top coat, I will be putting on the so this one is the clear nails, and I did that with the natural. So remember, you guys, when it comes to dip powder, you need a natural, the colors of the dip, and a clear. The natural help build the apex, and but in this case I didn't use it to build my apex, and it wasn't as flat that I thought it would be. Honestly, it wasn't as flat as I thought it would be. But I did use the natural in order to build the ring finger to keep that clear. And then the clear is kind of like encapsulating your nail to protect the color of the dip powder, so when you start filing, it doesn't come off, and gotta, you already have it sealed, but guess what, it's coming off. What do I do? Kind of situation. So, but in this video I only did the natural for the ring finger. I didn't use the clear, and I didn't, when I filed, I was shocked. I thought the purple was going to come off, you guys, but it didn't. So now I'm going to number 4, which is the top coat, and try not to overlap with this. So just, and then you wait like 2 minutes for it to dry, and then you put on the final top coat, and then your cuticle oil. So I'm trying to see what else I got. Oh, I got the file, the buffer, and of course like I said, it was 4 replacement brushes, you guys. So, but once you know what I love, oh my gosh, what I love about dip powder is that sucker lasts. They do last forever. My son's graduating in a couple weeks, so I want to do another nail design. So, um, I normally don't prep my nails well enough so that it could pop off, but I really wanted to give a honest and fair review with this product, so I did it as much as, like I said, other than the certain things that I didn't get, I try to make sure I use everything that I received. So this is the end. Let me know what you think. In the comment below, I will also put if I get an affiliated code, which they said they will send me when I upload the video. But in the meantime, I will also have in there the free dip. Okay, it expires in 30 days, and make sure you go to the company, which is right there, doubledip.powder.com. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting, and don't forget to share.